name is Okwaha Justice. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to show you how to deploy your website on Azure web app. Okay, so you log on to the Azure portal. You log on to the Azure portal. Okay, you go to create a resource, and in the search bar, you type static web app. Okay, this is it here. Static web app. Okay, static web app. You go to create static web app. Okay, you first of all you fill in your subscription, the resource group. If you don't have a resource group, you go to create new. Okay, but let's use the existing resource group. You select the resource group, then you give your web app a name. Let's call it sample web app. Okay, so let's the plan type will have free, standard, dedicated, but let's go for the free the for this video. Okay, so we also have deployment details, deployment source. Okay, if you choose to use Azure DevOps or other, but we'll use GitHub. Okay, so you select the GitHub. Okay, then here you choose your GitHub account. Okay, so let's select the GitHub account. Okay, selected. If you are doing it for the first time, you need to authorize it. You need to log in to your GitHub account. Log in to authorize it. But already I've logged in before and authorized it. So you choose your organization. Next, you select repository. Okay, this is my repository in GitHub, in my GitHub. Okay, so the branch you leave it on main. Okay, so that is all. You click review and create. So let's see. Okay, let's wait for some few minutes. Okay, so click the validation passed. So you click on create. So this will take some time. So one benefit of using Azure Web App is you you focus on writing your code and pushing it, while Azure will do the rest for you. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can deploy your website to Azure. After the deployment, okay, the deployment is done. Go to resources. Okay, go to resource. So you can see the web app here, sample web app. Okay, so let's now check the website. We'll click on it now, the URL. Congratulations on your new site. Your site will be ready soon. Please check back later. So let me go to my GitHub. Let's see the website that have been deployed to Azure. This is my GitHub and this is my repository. Okay, so if I click on this, let me copy this repository. Okay, I'll copy the link and open it in a new tab. Okay, okay, so I'll copy this address. This is my website on GitHub. Copy the address, open a new link, open a, okay, then let's paste it. Okay, let's just type in the address, which is just this. Okay, it is there already, 2024.github.io. So let's enter. So this is the website. Okay, so let's go back to Azure, the web app, and see if our website is ready. So you click on this URL again. Our website is ready then. Our website is ready. So can you see this is how to deploy your website to Azure web app. Okay, but let's now see, what if we do some changes on our website in GitHub? You don't need to come to Azure web app to also initiate the changes. It will automatically, the changes will go live automatically. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. So let's go to the GitHub. Let's go to the repository. Okay. Okay, so this is, remember this website here, the website we will just check now is showing cloud administrator expert. Okay, so let's change this cloud administrator expert on GitHub. Then we'll now come back to Azure web app and see if the changes is initiated. Okay, so let's go to the repository on GitHub. Okay, this is the repository on GitHub. So let's do the changes. Okay, the heading of the website. You remember you have to click on edit to make any changes, any edit on GitHub. Okay, so let's change it to something else. Let's say, okay, let's say training, training, training on Azure. Okay. Don't forget, whenever you make any changes on GitHub, you always commit it for the changes to take effect. So commit changes, commit changes. Okay, so now let's go back to our web app and see if the changes has been initiated on the web app. But this will take some time. Okay, so let's check. Let's see. Okay, it's still showing cloud administrator expert. Let's give it some time. The changes can take up to 3 to 5 minutes for the changes to be effective. So let's keep on reloading it. Okay, it's still showing administrator expert. So let's reload again. Okay, it's still showing administrator expert. Let's reload again. Again, remember this could take about 3 to 5 minutes. So let's go back to the URL again and load this from the web app again. Okay, it's still showing cloud administrator expert. So let's keep on reloading until when the change has been initiated. Okay, that is it. That is it. Oh, sorry, I misspelled the training. Okay, so let's go back and make that correction. Let's go back and make that correction. I think I wrongly spelled training. So let's go back. Remember, this is here. I made a mistake on the training. Okay, so let's go back and correct it now. Okay, so let's go back to the heading. Okay, let's edit it. Okay, so let's make the correction now. Training, training. Okay, I think I'm good now. Commit changes. Okay, so we still have to wait for a few minutes again while we keep on reloading until when the change has been effected. This video is a raw video, no editing. Okay, so let's try, let's reload again. Okay, see the wrong spelling. Let's keep on reloading. Let's reload, reload again. Let's reload again. Okay, remember this could take up to 3 to 5 minutes or less. Okay, okay, that is it. Training on Azure. So whatever you, any changes you do on your website, on your code, on your application, whatever it is, you don't need to go to Azure to also effect the same changes. Azure automatically will effect that change. So that is the good aspect, the good part, one of the benefits of using Azure Web App. You only focus on building your applications or the website, writing your code.